Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we will explore quantum computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of March, 2025, our system has classified quantum computing as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.93. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 4.36%. This results in an average return of 1.45% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a movement back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $8.42 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline and might serve as the first indication of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of nearly 60% in a negative direction over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a complete loss to approximately negative 58%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 65%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of nearly 5% to an increase of over 459% within the next year. This would suggest a future price range between $7.98 and $46.85. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline: significant movements in Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating by 13.35% between high and low. The Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price decreased by 3.01% on the last day, specifically Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, falling from $8.63 to $8.37. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 13.35%, ranging from a low of $7.94 to a high of $9. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 58.52% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also declined on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 47 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares changing hands for approximately $326.45 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $27.15, while the lowest was 35.5 cents. Currently, the price stands at 69.17%, or $18.78, below the 52-week high of $27.15, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Quantum Computing Incorporated, trading under the ticker QUBT, is currently facing multiple class action lawsuits for alleged violations of securities laws. These lawsuits pertain to activities occurring between the 30th of March, 2020 and the 15th of January, 2025, raising concerns among shareholders who have reportedly suffered financial losses due to the company's actions. Key legal firms are actively encouraging affected investors to join the class action before the 28th of April, 2025, lead plaintiff deadline. These developments could significantly impact QUBT's stock price, both in the short term and the long term. In the short term, increased media scrutiny and investor anxiety over potential liabilities and ongoing litigation may result in volatility, possibly driving the stock price down as sentiment weakens. In the long term, if the company is found liable or settlements are required, this could lead to substantial financial repercussions, further eroding investor confidence. Conversely, a strong defense or dismissal of claims could mitigate negative impacts, allowing QUBT to refocus on its core operations and growth potential. Investors should closely monitor these legal developments, as their outcomes will likely play a critical role in shaping the future stock performance of Quantum Computing Incorporated. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Ascendiant gave QUBT a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to quantum computing stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. The stock of Quantum Computing Incorporated shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there may be support at levels of $6.82 and $7.47. A drop below either of these levels would signal a sell. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact near-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 18, 2025, with the stock having declined by 3% so far. A further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 104 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 45 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. Quantum Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $8.02. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.06 between its high and low, representing a change of 13.35%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 16.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for quantum computing, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This significant metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a consistent pattern of negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 20th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at -5 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for quantum computing is at $8.63. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, quantum computing encounters its first support level at $8.02. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 19th of February, 2025, Carl Scott Weimer conducted an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of options to acquire common stock. On the same day, Michael C. Termel conducted an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of options to acquire common stock. Also on that day, Christopher Baumler made an insider purchase of 43,050 shares of options to acquire common stock. Additionally, Robert B. Fagenson conducted an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of options to acquire common stock, also on the 19th of February, 2025. Lastly, Javad Shabani made an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of options to acquire common stock on that same day. Analyzing the 81 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 86.245. In total, insiders purchased 56,633,941 shares and sold 1,291,445 shares in these 81 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.97, reflecting a decrease of 4.80%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 1 day ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Quantum Computing Inc. shows several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be considered a hold or accumulate position while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical aspects, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock, downgrading it from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of March, we anticipate quantum computing to open higher by approximately 6.67 cents and start trading at $8.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.